Good morning, YouTube fam. You guys, it's kind of a scary video I got coming up. Your girl is going to be playing with some facial tools. Yes, I got them off of Temu. We're going to be using the multifunctional cleaning instrument, the sucker. We're going to be giving ourselves hickeys. We've got the very, very sharp tweezers that I got off of Temu. And we also have the ultrasonic skin cleanser. Whew, y'all. Wait till you see this video. No, I am not an esthetician in any manner whatsoever. I've never been to get this done. This is something, I did take a class on how to use the ultrasonic cleanser. It's more like a dermabrasion. I did take a 2-course class to learn how to use that puppy. Y'all, we're gonna go from this beautiful, not seeing any of my scars, not seeing my dry skin, not seeing my sunspots and oh Lord, y'all. Yeah, y'all are getting ready to see it all. Your girl does not have beautiful skin at all. I've just learned how to cover it all up. Yeah, it's a fake. It's a cover-up, you guys. All right, loves. Like I said, I got these tools off of Temu, all very cheap, y'all. All 3 of these combined was under $12. Yeah, I'll show you the price comparisons as to what you can get it from other places, and I'll show you real quickly on what the professionals say on how to use it, pros and cons of it. I'll throw them up right now for you. All right, loves, so let's do this. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're watching for your bingo numbers, and your girl will see you soon. Okay, guys, we're going to use these special little tools I got from Temu to try to get off all these sloughs on my face, all the dry skin, correct the sunspots, the hyperpigmentation, get rid of these little fine lines and wrinkles. Yeah, don't wait so far in life like I did. This here is the Temu Ultrasonic Skin Cleanser, and I will be showing you how to use it. I'll be trying to get that deep blackhead out of there. I've also got another one on this side. I'll be using the ultrasonic multifunctional tool that they also have. It's a nice little sucker, and I'll show you guys from beginning to end how to do it. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, guys, we're gonna start off with cleansing our face real good. I've been using the River Salt Skin Cleanser. It gets deep in my pores. I absolutely love it. And then I am going to go in and pat it off. I do not rub my face when I rinse it. Then we're going to use the very smallest amount of the moisturizer I received from River Salt. I've been loving it. Very, very small, you guys. Make sure you get it down your décolleté. Then we are announcing ourselves into the serum. This is the second time I've used the serum. It's kind of a more deeper moisturizer to help slough it off. Now that we've waited a little bit, we're going into the beauty room, and I'm going to get off the lid to the Rock ROC. This is the Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Filler. It has advanced retinol and hyaluronic acid in it. It targets and visibly reduces deep wrinkles. We're going to let that sit on our face for a little bit. I won't make you guys sit through it, but we're going to let it sit on our face a little bit to help loosen up all that dry skin that I have. Hey, yes, you started hearing that little buzzing sound. That is the Temu Ultrasonic Skin Cleanser that I'm using now. I've got it on the second level, which is the moisturizer to help rub that into the skin to get it deeper in there. Now, that is what it does. You use it shovel side down, and then I started going ahead and turning it the opposite way, shovel side up, because look, I was already getting dead skin and stuff off just trying to get that moisturizer deep in my skin. So like I said, we're going beginning to end with this. Again, we're on level 2 of the Ultrasonic Skin Cleanser, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we're going to use the super sharp tweezers that I got off of Temu, and we're kind of going to, well, I guess essentially poke a hole in these deep blackheads that I've had for multiple years. And then we're gonna use our sucker tool that I showed y'all back before, and I'll show y'all again, and see if we can help extract them. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna pull you in real close when we do this. And I'm literally just gonna use it like a tweezer. And poke a little hole. I've got that other one right over here, which exfoliating that we just did with our ultrasonic skin cleaner seemed to help that one quite a bit. I don't know. All right, so here it is, the sucker tool. It's technically called the multifunctional cleaning instrument. Yes, I got it off of Temu. It has multiple different heads that you can use. This one is actually for an exfoliator, and then different sized ones to use. That one you can kind of use for like a blaster type of situation. And it came with little filters to use. And you take this lid off here, pop that right on the top there. It just sets right on top just like that. And then put your instrument back on there. I may need to put a smaller hold one on to get a more directed suck. We'll see. And it also came with extra O-rings that are inside here to keep it tight. So let's just do it, you guys. These are different powers. That's 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna go with 3 because this has been here for years and years and years. All right, I'm gonna pull you back in real close again. Oh, it's sucking. Let's do it. You know, you can move this all over your skin. Oh, we're gonna have to get a smaller one. Look, I made a hickey. All right, guys. We're definitely gonna get a smaller one. Your girl will have freaking clue what she's doing here. I just made a hickey. Oh no. Yeah, we're gonna get the smaller one on here to try to get a more directed suck. Yeah, I held it on there way too long. Okay. Your girl's gonna end up with little bitty hickeys all over her neck. And my husband's gonna go, what have you been doing? All right, same again, putting the filter back on. Now my skin will be looking red and a bit irritated. I'm gonna put it on the first sucker to see how it works, the first flow. And normally they move it all over the skin like this. This is mainly for people who have acne, zits, pimples. It helps get it out. You guys, I don't recommend doing this unless you know what you're doing. As you can see, I am just leaving marks all over my skin. But that's what we do here. Let's try it on this one. Yeah, not a lot going on with that one either. I'm gonna do right in here in the crevices of my nose. Keep this moving or you're gonna end up a little hickey like I did. Just to help get all that excess dry skin that I had, the blackheads, little tiny skin blemishes. Yeah, I like the lighter speed a lot better. Boy, it's digging up a lot of dirt. Y'all watch me watch my face. Okay, let's go back over this, see if we can get anything. A lot of dry skin. Oh, I made it extremely red. Okay guys, we're gonna play with this one a little bit till we learn what we're doing. See y'all in a minute. Alright, so you guys can see my face is a little red and irritated. You can see where I took the sucker over it. You guys, I got out so much dry skin. Now, yeah, I'm gonna have a hickey for a little while. I'll put some ice on it in a little bit to get that taken care of. Let me move you back out. Alright, guys, so after all of that, I'm gonna be using, of course, the Cream Shop. The little bunny mask. I'm using this because it has a very, very large amount of hyaluronic acid in it. It has shea butter in it, grapeseed oil in it, a lot of moisturizing, nourishing things for your skin. You guys know I love my Cream Shop mask. I absolutely love them. Unfortunately, I just got some of the serum in my eyeball. Okay, let's talk about what I just went through with my skin. So here I am, 46 years old, and I have never done that. By the way, I'm taking the extra essence all down my décolleté, my neck area, behind my ears, everywhere, you guys. And I'm going to let this soak in for quite a long time. You guys, be watching for your bingo numbers. Make sure that you're following me on the platforms that you get your numbers on. Here is the update of the ones that I called so far. There you go. Good luck, good luck, good luck, everybody. Okay, let's get in depth with these tools that I just used. So this is the multi-functional cleaning instrument. This is to help get small zits, small pimples, small blemishes, small blackheads out of your skin and help get that extra slough of dry skin off of your face. Like I said, it comes with many different attachments to use. You've seen me using it. It's powerful. It's very powerful, especially on 3, as you've seen. It's starting to calm down, but it's still pretty red there. If you're not a professional, I don't recommend using it. But that's what your girl's here for, to try it and see how it goes. If you do get it, definitely use it on 1. Here we go. I'll leave a screenshot up there of how much it is and what it cost on other sites that I found. Now let's get into this one. This one's fun. The ultrasonic skin cleanser. Both of these, all 3 actually, including the tweezers, I got off of Temu. Here is a screenshot of how much these cost. That's $1 something. And you can actually get a whole kit of this different type of extracting tools. I actually took a small class online on how to use this before I did it. So you guys know I didn't just go in willy-nilly doing it. I didn't. Unfortunately, I did not on this one, which I should have. But I did with this one. So this actually has 3 different levels. It has your cleansing, your moisturizing, and then your deep extracting. It's called lifting. You hear that pulsating? That is like electricity going through to help lift that dead skin off of you, to clean out those pores. Now, the cleansing tool, you actually use it with shovel down, your blade down, and it helps get all of that cleansing solution in your face. You just do it very, very lightly and then rinse your face off. And then you go to your moisturizing and you do it shovel up. After you put your moisturizer on, as you see me do, then you go up with it. Go up with it. Always remember, you want to lift everything, not drag it down. And that's kind of a friendly reminder of how you use any type of facial tools. Even when I showed you guys way back when doing the gua sha technique, you go up, 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 up and lifting. Help drain out those lymph nodes. It felt amazing, you guys. So I heard so many people saying, oh, it burned, it hurt. No, no, no. Whoever was doing it just didn't know what the heck they were doing. Now, this third one, you hear it go a little faster. Yeah, it goes quite a bit faster. Now, it does heat up a little tiny bit. It does not burn whatsoever, you guys. You've seen me doing it. Does it get a little warm? Well, yeah, you're repeatedly going across your face like this in a scraping motion. That's what you're doing, is you're literally scraping off the dead skin. You're getting all of that nourishment, all the serums and everything you just put on your face down deep into those pores, and it's releasing all that dirtiness, all of the blackheads, all of everything. And then you take this and you scrape it off. Now, it's recommended to use this once a month for beginners. Sensitive skin, once a month, or go to professional, which I'll show you guys screenshots again. So if you have a membership to some salons, it only costs you $30 to add on this type of treatment. If you do not, you guys, they go clear up to $109 to go into your salon, go into your esthetician and have this treatment done. Will I ever go to an esthetician and have this done? No. It's really that easy to do it at home, you guys. I'm taking the extra essence all over my hands and my arms. I love doing it, you guys. So, my loves, that's it. That is all for the Temu facial cleanser, the moisturizing cleaning instrument, the tweezers, how to do the little dermaplane, the exfoliating. It's fairly easy, you guys. Just have common sense. Be gentle with your face. Don't do like I did and wait until you're in your 40s to start taking care of your skin, you guys. So now I'm going to go sit in my cream shop mask and moisturize, moisturize, moisturize after this. And use a lot of moisturizer, a lot of warm water while you're doing those. And at salons, they would actually wet down a hot towel and lightly place it over your face to help extract even more stuff out of your skin before they use their tools to do the extractions on you. Am I going to do it again? Heck yeah, I'm doing it again, especially this one. I love, love, love this one. This one here, I might have to go take a class on and get to know a little bit better before I do that again. Yeah, I'm getting myself a little bit hickey. The redness is going away now. It didn't hurt, you guys. It's just, as anything, you put something suction on your skin anywhere, you're going to get a red hickey. You are. You just are. All right, loves. Be watching for your bingo numbers. Your girl's going to go watch our other Mask Monday friends, and your girl will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.